Do you believe that a delicious meal can bring family members closer together around the dinner table? Today, I'm going to share an easy and delicious air fryer recipe that anyone can make. Start with one 300-gram chicken breast and slice it into thin pieces, about 1 centimeter thick each. This thickness is perfect because it allows the chicken to become crispy on the outside while staying juicy and tender on the inside. To help the chicken absorb the seasonings evenly, I prepared a plastic bag and placed all the sliced chicken pieces inside. For the seasoning, add 1/2 teaspoon chicken bouillon powder, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon paprika powder, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. To make sure nothing spills out, I tie the bag securely and gently massage everything together until every piece of chicken is fully coated with the seasoning. Next, I add 35 grams of all-purpose flour to the bag and continue mixing until all the chicken pieces are evenly covered with a thin layer of flour. I've received a lot of snacks from my friends, so today I'm using some of them. I place the snacks in a plastic bag and crush them into small pieces to create a crispy coating for the chicken. The finer the snack crumbs are, the better they stick to the chicken. By the way, tell me which country you're watching my video from. Follow me if you'd like to discover more easy and delicious recipes. Take 1 seasoned chicken piece and coat it with the crushed snack crumbs, making sure both sides are evenly covered. Repeat the process with the remaining chicken pieces. I learned this recipe from a close friend when I visited their home, and I've loved it ever since. If you happen to have some snacks at home and don't know what to do with them, give this recipe a try. Once all the chicken pieces are coated, arrange them in the air fryer basket. I've lined the bottom with aluminum foil, but you can also use parchment paper if you prefer. I'd love to know where you're watching from, so leave your country in the comments. After arranging the chicken in the air fryer, I lightly spray some cooking oil over the top to keep the chicken from drying out. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 25 minutes. During cooking, remember to open the air fryer occasionally to check on the chicken and flip the pieces so they cook evenly and become golden and crispy on both sides. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to follow me for more recipes. The chicken turns out beautifully golden and crispy on the outside while remaining juicy and tender on the inside. It tastes even better when served with chili sauce and mayonnaise. I hope you and your family enjoy a wonderful meal together. And don't forget to share this recipe with your loved ones, I'm sure they'll love it too.